Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to download Need for Speed No Limits on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. So let's get started. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in Need for Speed and search. Look for this application from Electronic Arts and tap the Get or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. Now wait until the app gets downloaded and installed. It'll only take a few minutes. After waiting for a couple of minutes, you will be able to open the game, and that's how you download Need for Speed No Limits right on your smartphone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.